friends, in today's video I wanted to share with you how to make these adorable treat pouches perfect for Valentine's Day, which just happens to be tomorrow. So I thought this is the best thing that you could do for your, if you want to give a quick treat to somebody, because these come together so quickly, so easily, and you're not going to believe it. And you don't even need that much for them. Basically, you need, depending on how many you want, you could get a 12 by 12 piece of designer series paper, which is double-sided, or you could use 6 by 6 piece of designer series paper, since that's already cut down for you. So let me show you what I wanted, how to put these together. So quick, so easy, it's just crazy. Let's move some of this stuff aside here. But let me bring these up closer. Aren't they just adorable? I think they're just the cutest, and this little ladybug is so sweet. It's becoming one of my favorite stamps and dies. But remember, you could do anything with these. You can even just use a plain tag on the front and put the person's name on it. Or you could leave it off. Like these don't have anything on them. Of course, I haven't finished them yet. That's why they don't. All right, so the 6 by 6 paper, I happen to have lighter than air here, but remember, you can use anything that you have on hand. This is perfect for Valentine's Day, birthdays, or anything really. Really pretty, very soft colors, very pretty paper. The one that I will be using is a celebration item, and it's called Most Adored. We've got some hearts and then beautiful roses. I've already cut some pieces down. This one's got plaid on one side and hearts on the other side. Here, let me show you the paper, in case you haven't seen it yet, or you might have missed it in the celebration catalog. But it's really pretty. It's got flirty flamingo and real red and gold. Got all these beautiful designs. Really, really pretty. I don't know if I've got them turned over. They might be turned over. Nope, I don't have them turned over. And then you have your B side or your A side, depending on which one you like better. So, really pretty. All right, so like I said, since I've already cut a few down, we're going to use those. Basically, with your 6 by 6 paper, decide whether you want to have what design you want on the inside and what you want on the outside. So let's say you want this on the outside. So basically what you're going to do is on the diagonal, you want to take one corner here and bring it up to the other corner. And then with your bone folder, you want to just crease it, like so. And then this is, to me, this reminds me of a diaper. When you take the one corner here and you bring it to the other edge. Now, I like to leave a little bit of space on that edge. I mean, what is it, like a 1/16 or an 1/8 of an inch? I just find it folds better that way. And then take the other piece and bring it over the same way. And you want to have them, even. And then crease it. Take your bone folder. And what's nice about this, I mean, you could even have your kids help you with this. These are easy for kids to do because there's no gluing, there's no mess, no nothing. I mean, the only gluing, I guess, is if you decide to put the ladybug like I did. But you could just use glue dots for those. And then you're going to take that the one piece here, and you want to just fold it right over. And that's your glue. That's what holds it together. Then we'll take our Ghirardelli chocolate. This is my favorite chocolate. I love this chocolate. Take a couple of pieces of those, add it in there, and then we'll complete it with our little ladybug. But isn't that adorable and so quick and easy? All right, so let's cut a piece from my, what is this? Petal Pink, I think? Oh, that rhymes. Petal Pink. Just going to cut a ladybug from there. And that's scrap. And then I want to do the wings. So I'm just going to put this flirty flamingo piece in here. Again, it's just a piece of scrap. I'm going to insert that. Cut that out. And then with my Memento black ink and the dots for the Ladybug's back, I'm not even getting out my Pierce mat. I should, because this is a photopolymer stamp, but got a little cushion under here with my mat. And then you're just going to line those up. I think this needs to be re-inked. It's a little bit light, but we're going to go with it anyway. Just line that up. The photopolymer stamps makes it so easy to see through. Perfect. And then, okay, so I want to attach these wings before I stamp hello. So I'm just using glue dots. These are dots that I got with my paper pumpkin kit. So I love to keep them, as you know, because they're very useful. They're very handy. All those backings just get stuck to everything. I'll add a few here. One on either wing. Peel those off. And just stick the wings right on her back or his back, like so. Got one stuck on my fingernail. See what I mean? They get all over the place. And then we're going to take hello, and this is going to be stamped right underneath here, like so. Isn't that cute? All right, so we'll close that up. Put this back here, and then I'm just going to add another couple of glue dots. One to the head, one to the body. Peel off the backing. That up, and just put it on this corner here, like so. Pretty cute. So like I said, you can make so many of these for your kids, for friends, give them to coworkers. You can put them on their desk. I mean, and it doesn't have to say Happy Valentine's Day on it. It could just say hello. So hope you enjoyed that. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber to my channel, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you. I do upload videos every Tuesday morning. And yeah, that's it. All right. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your week. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye.